Ever wonder why homemade marshmallows are all the rage? It's simple flavor. Store-bought marshmallows are okay, but homemade? They're a whole new level of delicious. Imagine this, fluffy, melt-in-your-mouth clouds, bursting with real vanilla and a hint of salt. That's the magic of homemade marshmallows. Plus, you control the ingredients. No preservatives, just pure marshmallow goodness. Swap out corn syrup for honey or maple syrup for a healthier twist. Once you go homemade, you'll never go back. Ready to up your marshmallow game? Let's get started. Before we begin our marshmallow adventure, let's gather our trusty tools and ingredients. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Tools: stand mixer with whisk attachment, a hand mixer works too, candy thermometer, a must-have for perfect texture, 9 by 13 inch baking dish, parchment paper, rubber spatula. Ingredients: granulated sugar, corn syrup, light or dark your choice, water, unflavored gelatin, vanilla extract, salt, just a pinch, powdered sugar for dusting. Got everything? Awesome. Let's move on to the fun part, making marshmallows. Time to transform these simple ingredients into pillowy soft marshmallows. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your marshmallows turn out perfectly every time. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be a marshmallow master in no time. Gather your ingredients: sugar, corn syrup, gelatin, water, salt, and vanilla extract. Make sure you have all your tools ready, including a stand mixer, candy thermometer, and a baking dish. Step 1. Prepare your baking dish. Grease it lightly and line it with parchment paper, leaving some overhang on the sides. This makes it easy to lift out the marshmallows later. The parchment paper will prevent the marshmallows from sticking to the dish, ensuring a smooth and easy removal. Step 2. In a small bowl, combine gelatin and half a cup cold water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, or until the gelatin blooms and becomes spongy. This blooming process is crucial as it allows the gelatin to fully hydrate, which will give your marshmallows their signature texture. Step 3. In your stand mixer bowl, combine sugar, corn syrup, salt, and remaining water. Clip the candy thermometer to the side of the bowl, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom. This will help you monitor the temperature accurately as the mixture heats up. Step 4. Cook the sugar mixture over medium heat, without stirring, until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit, softball stage. This is where the candy thermometer is crucial. The softball stage is essential for achieving the right consistency in your marshmallows. Step 5. With the mixer on low speed, slowly pour the hot sugar syrup into the bloomed gelatin. Gradually increase the mixer speed to high, and whip for about 10 to 12 minutes. This process incorporates air into the mixture, giving the marshmallows their light and fluffy texture. Step 6. Once the mixture is thick, white, and glossy, beat in the vanilla extract. The vanilla adds a wonderful flavor to the marshmallows, making them even more delicious. Your marshmallow mixture is ready. Pour it into the prepared baking dish, using a spatula to spread it evenly. Let it sit at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or overnight, until it sets. Once set, dust the top with powdered sugar, cut into squares, and enjoy your homemade marshmallows. Remember that candy thermometer? It's your secret weapon for achieving the perfect marshmallow texture. Here's why. Under 240 degrees Fahrenheit, the syrup won't be concentrated enough, resulting in soft, gooey marshmallows that won't hold their shape. Over 248 degrees Fahrenheit, the syrup will be too concentrated, leading to hard, chewy marshmallows. Just right, 240 to 245 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range guarantees fluffy, melt-in-your-mouth marshmallows, the holy grail of marshmallow making. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different temperatures within the recommended range to find your perfect marshmallow consistency. Marshmallow making can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Here are some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Overmixing. While whipping is essential, overmixing can lead to grainy marshmallows. Stop whipping when the mixture is thick, white, and glossy, even if it's before the suggested time. Undermixing. Not whipping enough will result in dense, gummy marshmallows. Make sure the mixture is light, airy, and forms stiff peaks. Sticky situation. Marshmallows are sticky. Grease your hands and tools with cooking spray or oil before handling the mixture. This will prevent sticking and ensure smooth sailing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if your first batch isn't perfect. Just keep experimenting and enjoy the process. Section 6. Flavor Burst. Tips for tastier homemade marshmallows. Ready to take your marshmallows from basic to extraordinary? Whether you're roasting them over a campfire or enjoying them in a cozy indoor setting, these tips will elevate your homemade marshmallows to a whole new level. Here are some flavor-boosting tips that will make your marshmallows the star of any gathering. Vanilla power. Use high-quality vanilla extract for the best flavor. The richness and depth of a good vanilla extract can make a world of difference. You can also scrape in vanilla bean seeds for a more intense vanilla taste. The tiny black seeds from the vanilla pod add both flavor and a beautiful speckled look to your marshmallows. Citrusing. Add a teaspoon of lemon or orange zest to the marshmallow mixture for a refreshing citrus twist. The zest will infuse your marshmallows with a bright, tangy flavor that's perfect for summer. Chocolate dream. After whipping, fold in mini chocolate chips or chopped chocolate for decadent chocolate chunk marshmallows. The chocolate will melt slightly, creating gooey pockets of deliciousness. Seasonal sensations. Get creative with seasonal flavors. Each season offers unique ingredients that can transform your marshmallows. Try adding pumpkin spice in the fall, which will give your marshmallows a warm, cozy flavor reminiscent of pumpkin pie. Peppermint extract during the holidays can add a festive touch, making your marshmallows perfect for hot cocoa or holiday treats, or fresh berry puree in the summer. The natural sweetness and vibrant color of the berries will make your marshmallows a hit at any picnic or barbecue. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and create your own signature marshmallow flavors. With a little creativity and these tips, you can make marshmallows that are uniquely yours and absolutely delicious. Section 7. Campfire Companions. Serving your marshmallows in style. What's a camping trip without perfectly roasted marshmallows? It's a tradition that brings everyone together, creating memories that last a lifetime. Here's how to enjoy your homemade marshmallows around the campfire. Skewer savvy. First, make sure you have the right tools. Use sturdy, long-handled skewers for safe roasting. These will keep your hands at a safe distance from the heat, ensuring you can focus on getting that perfect roast. If you're using wooden skewers, soak them in water for 30 minutes before use to prevent burning. This simple step can make a big difference in your roasting experience. Roasting techniques. Hold the marshmallow over the embers, not directly in the flames, for a slow and even roast. This method ensures a golden brown exterior and a gooey, melted center. Rotate the skewer constantly for a perfectly golden brown exterior and gooey center. This technique helps in achieving an even roast, avoiding burnt spots. S'mores Supreme. For the ultimate campfire treat, sandwich your roasted marshmallow between graham crackers and a square of chocolate. The heat from the marshmallow will melt the chocolate, creating a deliciously gooey s'more. Looking for something different? Try campfire cones. Fill ice cream cones with mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, and other goodies like nuts or fruit. Wrap them in foil and warm them over the campfire for a fun and delicious dessert. The result is a warm, melty treat that's sure to be a hit with everyone. Remember to roast responsibly and enjoy the magic of marshmallows under the stars. Whether you're with family or friends, these moments are what make camping truly special. Section 8. Beyond the Flame. Enjoying marshmallows at home. Homemade marshmallows aren't just for camping. Here are some other delicious ways to enjoy them at home. Hot chocolate toppers. Float a few marshmallows on top of your favorite hot chocolate for a sweet and comforting treat. Dessert pizza. Use marshmallows as a topping for dessert pizzas. Their gooey texture pairs perfectly with chocolate sauce, fruit, and whipped cream. Rice Krispie treats. Elevate your Rice Krispie treats by using homemade marshmallows. They'll add a gourmet touch to this classic treat. Frozen delights. Dip marshmallows in melted chocolate and freeze them for a quick and easy frozen treat. From hot beverages to frozen desserts, the possibilities for enjoying homemade marshmallows are endless. Section 9. Mastering Marshmallows. Your journey to sweet success. Congratulations! You've embarked on the exciting journey of marshmallow making. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors, textures, and serving ideas. With a little patience and these helpful tips, you'll be a marshmallow master in no time, impressing your friends and family with your homemade creations. Now go forth and create marshmallow magic.